Syspro is an amazing place to work. While it has been around for 40 years, it is continuing to evolve as a company, and we are now one global entity, which allows us to have a local feel to the organization here in California, but we are global in nature, and so we have the opportunity to work with our counterparts all around the world.
Our culture is all about winning together. When I say winning together, it's us, our partners, our customers, all of us together, and helping out each other and giving somebody what they are looking for.
Whether we're helping someone build ventilators during this crisis, we're in it to help them change the world and have a bigger impact on everything that we're doing. We sit with them, we understand their business, and we transform how they actually can deliver. It's really a matter of being consultative and truly understanding the complexities of the manufacturing process. And we're able to deliver that to them very easily.
Throughout my tenure here, what I've definitely seen is that the company puts people first. And that has just stayed so true to the core of who the company is wholeheartedly throughout that time.
My favorite thing about working here is that as we sell, what we're taught is to be authentic with our customers, be honest. And that's what makes it so easy to work here is I don't feel like I have to put on a different personality to work here. I can truly be myself. I can truly be my authentic self and come into work every day and work with everyone that I love.
What's kept me here at Syspro for 6 years, I think it's the opportunity to grow. I've started in many different departments and got to sort of find out where I fit best and give me a shot to learn more.
At Syspro, I think what's so great is that you're not just another name, you're not just another employee or a number in a database who's just checking in and checking out at the end of the day. You're a person here.
It's really the team working together every day, getting creative, thinking through a problem and solving it for our customers. I think that's why we bond so well together, because we know we are the difference. It's not the software, it's the people that are going to find the way to implement it and have the impact that we want for our customers.